Today we're gonna fix a sloppy shifter. So stay tuned. All right, so we gotta go up here, past the steering, right there, and I don't know if you can see it all the way up there. Let me see if I can hold this light and point at this. There's 2 bolts right up here, and one's loose. So what it is, that's why the shifting is kind of out of alignment on these. Very common in Ford vehicle trucks. So let's grab some tools and fix that. All right, let's talk about tools needed for the job. We need a Star Bits torque set. This one's from Harbor Freight. It's like $13.99. I'll post a link to it. It works great for this situation. It's 1/4 inch. Some Loctite. I only got the red right now, so let's hope they never have to take it back off. And a 1/4 inch ratchet. That's all we need for this job. So let's get back to the truck and start on it. So the star bit we need on this one is a T30. And what I plan on doing is I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out some more. Put some Loctite on it and then tighten it up. There's 2, so hopefully y'all can see. I'm wearing a headband. Hopefully y'all can see what I see. I'm not 100% sure how it's gonna work, but I'm gonna give it a good old try. If y'all can see what I'm seeing, it's 2 bolts right here and here. If you can't, I apologize. I will go over it again after I do this job. The two bolts location again. So I'm gonna pull this out. This is really loose. Well, more. See if I can get a little bit of Loctite up in there. Is it just me, guys, or does red Loctite smell like candy? Cap back on. Got the light back up in here. I'll be right back, guys. All right, so that's tightened up. I'm gonna show you one more time where the location is of that. But after that, we got to do the alignment on this, which is really simple, and I'll show you that on this video also, where we're gonna do that while I'm down there. So go down here one more time. Let me grab my light. Where's my light? We'll just use this light. All right. Oh, the light's already down here. Never mind. So anyway, here's your brake pedal, your steering, and right back there, where my finger's pointing, you see the RTB because I made a mess with it. That's those 2 star head bolts you need to tighten up. Now that that's tightened up, we gotta come over here. If you see this wheel right here on this cable, Now we gotta tighten it up and get the slack off to adjust the alignment up there on the dash, the shifting indicator. So we just turn that out. I'm gonna leave this right here. Hopefully it'll stay. And y'all can see when I turn it. Unfortunately for this one, the cable is broke. Or not the cable, but the there's a plastic piece down there on it broke. But anyway guys, I showed y'all how to fix the sloppy shifter on this. Now I gotta get a piece to fix the dial indicator. If y'all haven't already, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Also remember to watch the 1,000 sub giveaway video. I will be posting the link down below. Anyway guys, thanks for watching.